Segment is sponsored by Limor Media and the products you'll see. As the 4th of July weekend approaches, it's time to gear up for the festive food and fun. So here to help us plan the perfect summer celebration is lifestyle contributor Limor Suss. Hey, Limor, I just love that we're still talking about summer.
I know. I feel like 4th of July is going to hit and then everyone's going to start talking about back to school. Yes. But we're very much in summer mode. Camp just started. And so if you guys are entertaining or heading to someone's house, we've got you guys covered with what to do.
Well, entertaining is so easy in the summer. Send everyone outside, throw something on the grill. What is the must-have grill for all of your summer celebrations?
Yeah, so I love grilling in the summertime. Now, if you want to elevate your summer barbecues and your outdoor entertaining, the Wolf Grill is a must-have. Now, it offers powerful performance with 2 types of heat. There's direct and radiant, and it has an infrared sear zone, giving you unmatched temperature control and precision, so even novice home cooks can become grill masters. It's built with heavy-duty, all-weather stainless steel. Wolf products are designed to last an average of 20 years. You can build it into an outdoor kitchen, or you can use it freestanding on a grill cart. And it has the signature Wolf red control knob, so you know you're getting high-end quality and performance that you can trust. To find a showroom near you, just visit subzero-wolf.com/locator.
I know for every holiday, you always come with some fun, festive treat that we must have on display. What is it this year?
All right. Well, so over here, you can make your 4th of July celebrations even sweeter because I have the limited edition Despicable Me 4 Rocky Road Fudge Stripes cookies from Keebler. Now, it's in celebration of Illumination's Despicable Me 4 movie that's premiering in theaters on July 3rd. So Keebler has created these special cookies with 4 Minions-inspired designs. They're a fun twist on the classic Fudge Stripes, featuring a chocolate and almond-flavored shortbread cookie topped with a marshmallow-flavored fudge drizzle for that delicious Rocky Road taste. And you can find these limited edition cookies at retailers nationwide.
All right. And then there's something else there on the table to add an extra pop to our celebrations.
Yes. So now this is really fun. Something for the kiddos, right? So over here, I have the Crazy Erin's Popp'n Putty. Now, the putty actually snaps, it crackles, it pops, just like fireworks, but, you know, without all the scariness noise. It actually has polka dots that actually create these magical sounds. The pop abilities are endless, making it a fun activity for all ages and adding a fun, festive touch to any celebration. Now, thinking putty is non-toxic, it won't dry out, and it won't leave a sticky or slippery residue on your fingers. Plus, just like all of Crazy Erin's products, it's proudly made in the USA, right in Norristown, Pennsylvania. You can find this product and more at crazyerins.com.
Limor, thank you so much for all of these ideas.
Thank you, guys. I'll see you next time.
Absolutely. And for more information, you can visit limor.tv and make sure to follow her on Instagram at Limor Suss.